Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that's the core of every forex trade, the bid price and the ask price. So if you have ever wondered how buying and selling works in the forex market, then this video is for you. By the end of this session, you will have a crystal clear understanding of these two vital concepts and how they impact your trades. So ready? Let's get started. So what are basically bid and ask prices? So in the forex market, every transaction revolves around two prices, the bid and the ask. Think of this as a tug of war between buyers and sellers. Buyers aim to get the best deal possible while sellers are looking for the highest return. These prices represent the foundation of any trade, and knowing how they work can make or break your trading strategy. Let's break them down, starting with the bid price. Number one, the bid price. So the bid price is the amount that buyers in the market are willing to pay for a currency. In simple terms, it's the price at which you can sell. For instance, imagine that you are trading in the euro to US dollar pair. The bid price is 1.1200. This means if you decide to sell 1 euro, you will receive 1.1200 US dollars in exchange. Here is a simple important note. The bid price is typically lower than the ask price. You know why? Because the market operates on spreads, and this is where brokers make their profit. So here is a quick tip for sellers. If you are planning to sell, always keep an eye on the bid price. It determines how much you will actually earn from the trade. Okay, so now let's move on to what is the ask price, which is the amount sellers are willing to accept for their currency. In simple terms, it's the price at which you can buy a currency. Okay, so let's use the euro to US dollar example again. If the ask price is 1.1202, it means that you will need to pay 1.120 US dollars to purchase 1 euro. The ask price is always higher than the bid price, creating a gap called the spread, which is more on that in the moment. Now here's a quick tip for buyers. So if you're a buyer, the ask price is what matters the most to you because it's the amount that you will spend to enter a trade. Now let's understand the spread. You might be wondering that what's the deal with the difference between the bid and the ask price. The difference is called the spread. Spread is essentially the broker's fee for facilitating your trade. For example, if the bid price is 1.1200 and the ask price is 1.1202, the spread is 0.0002 or 2 pips. While that may seem small, it adds up over multiple trades, so it's essential to factor it into your trade cost. But why are bid and ask price so important? Understanding the bid and ask price can significantly impact your trading decisions. And here's why. Number one, it affects your entry and exit points. So whether you are buying or selling, these prices determine where you will start and end the trade. Number two, it influences your cost. The spread directly affects your profit margins. Smaller spread means lower cost, which is why traders often prefer highly liquid markets. Number three is it helps in fast-paced markets. Forex markets can move quickly, and knowing how these prices work will help you act decisively and avoid cost mistakes. So now it's time to sum it all up. Number one, the bid price is what buyers are offering. It's the amount you'll get when you sell. Number two, the ask price is what the sellers are asking for. It's the amount that you will pay when you buy. Number three, the spread is the difference between the two, representing the cost of trading. By mastering these basics, you are settling yourself for a smarter and more efficient trading decisions. So now it's a wrap for today's topic. The bid and the ask prices might seem simple numbers on your screen, but they play a massive role in your trading journey. So if you found this video helpful, then hit that like button and share it with your fellow traders. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks and strategies to help you navigate in the world of forex like a pro. Got any more questions? Then drop them in the comment section below, or let us know that what forex topics you would like me to create the video on. Until then, happy trading, and I will see you in my next video.